So we talked before about how an old-fashioned website just picks up text files and publishes them back to the user via the internet. Now we'll talk about how a web app works. And it's pretty similar, except there's some added functionality provided by the technology used at the server and at the browser. So you can think of it like this. I like to think of it like this. This folder that contains the text files for rendering HTML pages, it still exists, sort of. It lives here, and it has maybe some plain text files in it, but it's also going to have some files in it that provide instructions that offer some additional functionality. So whether this is Ruby on Rails, or whether it's Node.js like we're going to work with, or whether it's ASP, all of these things act in a similar way, or conceptually I like to think about them in this way. So the user will now come through the internet to the published web server. The web server will interpret files in a folder. These files also have some instructions, and these instructions might ask it to write some stuff into a database maybe, or store some information somewhere, or it might in turn ask it to store some files. Maybe there's an uploaded photo of this person for their profile or something, and it'll store them here. And it'll do this in a roundabout sort of a way, and then perform some action before returning the page to the user. So in the same way, they come through the internet, they'll tunnel through here, pick up one of these files. It says write this form data to the internet or upload this file to here, do something else, and then get back to the user. Now it might be that the update to the database means that a different set of information is returned to the user, but this is conceptually how I think of it. It's just the same as this, but these have some instructions which do some useful stuff before sending the information back to the browser.